Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today we are going to be talking about 5 different ways you can make passive income, and be sure to stick around until the end because I'll give you 2 extra bonuses. And for each of those 7 ways, I'm going to talk about how hard it is to get started and how hard it is to maintain once you create it. But before we get into it, please give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and be sure to hit that subscribe button if you're new here, and hit the little notification bell right beside it so you won't miss out on any of my future uploads. So generally, these types of passive incomes generate around $60,000 to $90,000 a month, but don't expect to hit these numbers when you're first starting out. What is passive income, you may ask? It is money that you're literally making while you're asleep. So, for example, you make a YouTube video in 2019 and people are still watching that video in 2020, 2021, so on and so forth. You're still going to make money off of it. But another thing is, passive income usually takes a good bit of time and effort to get it going. I'd also like to add that all of these videos about getting rich quick are schemes. There's no such thing. Okay, so let's start this video off with number 1, which is starting a YouTube channel. How difficult is it to start a YouTube channel? Matter of fact, it's very easy to start one. All you have to do is create a channel, and then you can use your camera or your phone to record and upload videos. However, there are ways around it where you don't have to record yourself, just like this video. In order to get monetized though, you have to have at least 1,000 subscribers and at least 4,000 watch hours. This typically can take around 6 months to a year and around 50 to 90 videos. Getting the first 1,000 subscribers will take a little time, but once you reach 1,000 subscribers, your channel will start growing more and more. Finding a formula that works for you is important so that you can keep maintaining it and keep growing your subscribers. How hard is it to maintain a YouTube channel? So it's not that hard to maintain. As long as you upload videos, you will be good. However, uploading videos consistently is recommended in order to start making money from Google Ads faster. Of course, there's other ways to make money off of YouTube. However, they are not passive income ways, so I will not be mentioning that in today's video. Alright, so on to number 2, which is becoming an affiliate marketer. What is an affiliate marketer? An affiliate marketer is someone who introduces others to products and services. The affiliate marketer doesn't develop the product though. They don't ship the product or handle the payment to the merchant. They simply just refer others to the products and or services offered on the internet, and when a sale is made, he earns a commission. For example, if I'm talking about this really good book, I can go to a program called Amazon Associates, and they'll give me an affiliate link, which then I can link that down in the description or the comments and on other social media sites. When the person that wants the book buys it, I make a commission. However, there's no extra charge to that person. Normally people make around $20,000 a year, which is not bad. There's low-level affiliates who earn up to $300 a day, intermediate affiliates who earn from $300 a day up to $3,000 a day, and then there's high-level affiliates who earn above $3,000 a day, and then there's super affiliates or gurus of affiliate marketing, which they're called, who make more than $10,000 a day. Another example is eBay affiliate marketing, which is called eBay's Partner Network. It's an affiliate marketing program that pays partners for sharing their personal listings outside of eBay. The affiliate earns a commission and then may earn credit towards their final merchant fees also. Commissions are earned when a buyer bids on or immediately purchases an item within the 24 hours of clicking the eBay purchase links on the affiliate site. For submitted bids, the commission is paid if the buyer wins the auction within 10 days of the bid. Commission rates depend on the category of items sold and can range from 1 to 4%. No more than $550 will be paid on any one qualifying sale. Gift cards, items sold by charities, and other special promotions are generally excluded as qualifying sales because of their low revenue streams. How do I become an affiliate marketer? To become one, you can consider what platform you'll use first to promote your products or services. Blogs are also another effective channel for advertising and promoting, as it allows the blogger serving as an expert to express an opinion about the offering. And for anyone who doesn't know what a blog is or isn't familiar with it, it's like YouTube, except you have a website and you just write a blog. You can add pictures and your affiliate links as well. So after you identify a platform, find a specific category that you're comfortable with and interested in, and focus segment can better help you attract a dedicated customer base. Research affiliate programs and choose one or more based on your needs, whether it be earning high commissions or generating more traffic. Lastly, develop solid and interesting content around the offering and work to increase traffic to your site. So there's some companies that use affiliate marketing to help them grow. Two examples of that would be BuzzFeed or Skillshare, anything like that. They'll give you an affiliate link. You can also post that down in the description, your website, wherever, comments, and then people who click on it will go to that company's page. So it does help them and it helps you also. How hard is it to maintain? So unless you have a large following already, it is kind of hard to maintain since it takes so long to see the results. However, if you already have a large following, it's fairly easy and a great passive income. You can easily make around $11,000 per month, which is around $2,750 per week. You can also use other country affiliate links, such as Canada and the UK, in which it brings around $450 a month. Alright, so moving on to number 3, which is invest in stocks and shares. You have to give money to get money back, and it's the easiest way to make any kind of passive income, really. Instead of having money in the bank, just say in a savings account that's earning 0.01%, whereas it's not bringing you much money, instead you could take those savings and put them into stocks and could potentially be earning passive income. Your money from the stocks and shares can be invested in index funds. For an example, if you invest in $1,000, your money is distributed amongst the top 500 biggest companies in the United States. For example, 2% goes to Google, 2% in Apple, 2% in Microsoft, 2% in Facebook. A stock app in the United States, for example, is Webull. A stock app in the UK is Freetrade or Vanguard. So it all depends with the stock market altogether. However, with an average of 30 years, it's been roughly 10 point something percent in return, which means every year on average it goes up by 10%. All depending on your financial circumstances. I say this is harder to make $100 a month unless we're able to invest, example, $5,000 for 10 years. But it's fairly easy getting started with stocks. But it's not that hard to maintain because you can set it up and just forget it. Alright, so moving on to number 4, which is starting a podcast. Podcasts are episodes of programs available on the internet, and they're usually original audio or video recordings, but can also be a recorded broadcast on a television or radio program, a lecture, or a performance or other event. So it's typically $16 for a 30-second ad per 1,000 views and $25 for a 60-second ad per 1,000 views. With that being said, you really need sponsorships to make more money. Alright, so moving on to number 5, which is selling a course. It's not very difficult to start a course. You can actually just do it on your phone, and you don't necessarily need to know how to create a video. A course example would be if I wanted to give you step-by-step details on exactly what to do to start a YouTube and how you make money from it, all that good stuff. I could either type it up in a Word document, sell it that way, on YouTube, all my other social media platforms, or also there's a company called Skillshare, if you did want to do videos, which is called a course. Depending on how much information and value that course is, it can go from $50, $100 all the way up to $1,000. It just all depends. You can get anywhere from $50,000 to $65,000 per month passive income, literally doing nothing. And if you do want to use Skillshare, it's fairly easy to make money as long as you have around 28 students, they call them, and 1,700 minutes of watch time. But even if you don't have a following on Skillshare with good ratings, you'll get more and more views. Or an alternate route would be just straight out charging $100 for the course like I mentioned before. If this video has helped you out in any kind of way or helped you learn anything, please give it a thumbs up because it's a free way that you can help my channel out. So with now your 2 bonuses, number 6 is starting a paid community. It's much easier to start one if you already have an existing audience, because it's kind of a bad idea if you don't already have an audience. Examples of a paid community is a Patreon, which is a platform you upload little videos to. This typically pays anywhere between $3,000 and $7,000 a month. Another example is Nez Labs, typically pays $100,000 a year. It's not that hard to maintain as long as you keep showing up and putting in the work. Another thing, a part-time YouTuber called Inner Circle, it makes roughly between $2,800 per week. However, it's not very passive and it does take a lot of work. Last but not least, number 7, which is starting a business or building a website or app. Examples of a business would be on Shopify, where you can create anything you want. You make a shop on their website. You know, you can sell clothes, handbags, shoes, wallets, anything you prefer. And another example would be like Etsy, things like that. You can use Instagram and Facebook ads to get people to your Shopify or whatever shop. How hard is it to start? It's quite hard to make a business that generally provides value. It definitely takes a lot of time to maintain, typically speaking around 10 hours per week. But once you get it started, it's fairly easy to maintain. And with building a website or an app, it's fairly easy to maintain it. However, it's very, very hard to create it because you have to know how to code and it's a lot of work. You also have to offer something compelling that people want. Typically, if you can get people to buy the app, you can make up to $10,000 to $25,000 a year. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already so you won't miss out on any of my future uploads. And leave a comment below telling me which passive income way you like to try.